Okay, so I just got my iPhone 14 Pro Max back from a repair from Apple, and they sent it back unrepaired. They said they could not find any damage with it, so let's see what condition it came back in. Okay. So I'm assuming this is the device. There's no paperwork in here. And let's go ahead and open this. Here we go. Get out of the way. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so there is some paperwork in here. Let me take just a second and read what it says. Okay, so they literally just said that your device is fine now, there's nothing wrong with it, and to just set up your device as normal. And it does look like we do have a iPhone 14 Pro Max. Obviously. So it looks like we have that. Oh, it looks kind of peeled. It's not sticking. Okay, so it looks like we have that paper on it. So let's give it a peel. Very satisfying. So I'm not sure whether or not this is charged. It might not be. Okay, so it does have some charge. So I'm not sure if you've been following my videos, but if you haven't, I've had a lot of problems with this iPhone 14 Pro Max with Dynamic Island. The most recent problem I've had is the fact that half the screen will work and half of it will just go black. And according to Apple, so it just says our technicians performed complete diagnostic tests, sorry, on your product. They confirmed that it is now working correctly. So I'm not sure what that means. So the main issue that I had with this phone was when you turn ring on the mute switch. It's in Chinese. Not that. Okay, it's just select English. Okay, there we go. So let's see. There. I'm not sure if you guys see that, but according to Apple, that is not a problem. That when you turn on ring, it goes behind that camera, the selfie camera. So, I mean, it's not a major thing. I'll let you guys know. I'll set this up, then I'll probably film again tomorrow or the next day and let you guys know whether or not I've been having any more problems with this device. So, okay. This is what I wanted to show you guys. As you can see, obviously this is a photo or a screenshot of what happened. You can see the LTE and the percentage bar is in the wrong corner, and this phone was upright. Probably should have taken a screen video of it or screen recording, but yeah, you can see that it is in the corner, and as you might know, that when you go to turn your phone sideways, there is no landscape mode, so it wasn't anything like that. For some odd reason, it just went into the corner, which I thought was kind of strange, and you could still access quick settings and your notifications, so you could still access everything, just the time, the signal, and the battery percentage was over in that corner, which I thought that was kind of weird. But other than that, this phone is still performing great. I mean, the cameras still work. You can see cameras still fully functioning, and just mostly everything's working. Just I'm noticing a lot of issues, the problems with this still. So I might contact Apple and just tell them that I'm still having issues with it and possibly send it back. So that about wraps up my video. And if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in my next video. See you then.